Did you know that properly layering your fragrance can make your scent last twice as long and make you smell uniquely irresistible? Most people just spray their perfume and go, but girl, there's a better way. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets on how to layer your fragrance like a pro, so your scent lingers beautifully from morning till night. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's talk about why layering is so powerful. Fragrances evaporate in stages. Top notes, which you smell first, disappear quickly, while the middle and base notes last longer. Layering builds depth and makes your scent last all day. Think of it like dressing for the weather. You wouldn't wear just a cute coat without layering something underneath, right? Same with fragrance. Moisture is key. Dry skin won't hold fragrance as well, so start with an unscented lotion or a matching body cream to lock in the scent. Oils are amazing too, especially jojoba or almond oil. If your skin is dry, your perfume will fade faster than a Snapchat message. We don't want that. This is where the magic happens. Choose scents that complement each other. You can go one of two ways. 1. Match the same scent family. If your perfume has vanilla, use a vanilla-scented lotion. 2. Mix complementary scents. Try florals with musks or fruity with warm amber. This is how you create a scent that smells like you and not just everyone else wearing the same fragrance. Now, let's apply it the right way. Spray your perfume on pulse points, your wrists, behind your ears, inside elbows, and even behind your knees. These areas radiate heat, which helps diffuse the scent all day long. And if you really want it to last, spray a little in your hairbrush and run it through your hair. Trust me, you'll be leaving a trail of gorgeousness wherever you go. Final step? Seal the deal. Lightly mist your perfume on your clothes or a scarf. But be careful, some perfumes stain, so do a little test first. This is where you can get creative and make a scent that no one else has. Mix a warm vanilla with a fresh citrus, or a soft floral with a deep musk. Y'all, the possibilities are endless. Alright, before you go, here are some final quick tips. Reapply with a scented body mist midday to refresh your scent. Store your perfumes in a cool, dark place. Heat and light break them down. Try solid perfumes for layering in a subtle way. And that's it. Now you know how to layer fragrance like a pro. Your scent is about to be next level. Let me know in the comments. What's your go-to fragrance combo? And don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next beauty and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching.